yung resolution, but that was already immaterial because they already have 14 that they have already declared victory. But at least on my part, masaya rin ako kahit because Senator Chis is a very magnanimous victor. Kahit alam niyo hindi na kailangan yung boto ko, still, kinubinsi pa rin niya ako na sumama sa majority.
Pero sir, bakit kayo umiyak kahapon?
Bakit kayo emotional?
Well, kasi yung nakapirma ako before mag-start ang session. Di ba? Pumasok ako doon. Tapos ngayon, nung sinaluduhan ako ni Migs, talaga hindi ko napigilan, napaiyak ako dahil for me being a good soldier, ang gusto ko sabihin kay Migs doon is, sorry boss, I failed to win the war for you. Because I